The blade is made of the hardest material. A typical blade usually contains 80% tungsten carbide, and then add some hard carbide particles, because they are closely bonded together. The production of a blade requires at least a dozen or more processes, which is a very complicated process. In the material warehouse, rows of raw materials are placed in an orderly manner. All the raw materials we use come from our carefully selected suppliers. Each batch of materials must be in the laboratory after rigorous testing, and then added in the weighing production line according to the ingredient instruction card. In the grinding room, various materials are ground to the desired particle size in the presence of ethanol, water and organic binders. This process takes 8 to 40 hours. Specifically according to the formula, the ground liquid mixture is pumped to the spray drying tower, and under the action of hot nitrogen, the ethanol and water in the mixture are evaporated. The separation of material and liquid is realized, and the dried powder is cooled and put into the barrel. After the sample is sent to the laboratory for quality inspection, it can be sent to the pressing workshop for production if it is qualified.